So what is the best baby food for babies? There's actually zero question. Breast milk is definitely best, and here are some reasons why. Now, for your baby, it's actually naturally safe, never spoiled, contaminated, expired, nor recalled. It also fights infection with a healthy dose of antibodies to boost your baby's immunity, and it's custom tailored for babies and has literally more than 100 ingredients in it over milk or anything synthesized. Now, breastfed babies are actually less likely to have tummy issues or issues with diaper rash. Now, if you know a baby actually really suffering with colic, or you want to prevent your baby from suffering from colic, there are also little additions you can add, which are BioGia Probiotic Drops for your baby. And again, it helps soothe these kind of colicky symptoms and can be taken without as a preventative measure. If you thought that those were all the benefits, wait, there's more. Breastfeeding can actually boost your child's IQ through brain-building fatty acids. Breast milk also helps build baby jaws, gums, and palate, just, from exercising them so much. Breastfed babies are also less likely to be unhealthily chubby, and breastfeeding is linked to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure later in life. Now, the next video I will be dedicating specifically to you mamas and the amazing benefits you will receive from breastfeeding your baby. Now, I personally breastfed for 2 years and supplemented with formula when needed. I'm not gonna lie, 2 years of breastfeeding was not always easy and certainly had its challenges. However, it did build very close bonds between my son and I, which was quite beautiful. And honestly, at the end of the day, whether you're breastfeeding or feeding formula or doing a combination of the two, ultimately, mama, you know what's best for you and your family. And as the saying goes, mama knows best.